Hi, my name is Environmental, the most popular team member of Sahas. We help everyone to adopt a zero waste lifestyle. पर सबको लगता है हमारा काम इनी मीनी इजी है क्या? Let's hear it from my team.
Oof, does it even bother people?
It's not easy, right? It's our passion to have a society where nothing is waste. Over the years, Sahas has come to live by its name, which means courage. We've been an organization that is never afraid to take challenges. What has been the key milestones in this journey?
Oh, you mean cleanup drives?
No. We work to systematically eliminate the need for cleanup drives.
Our ultimate goal is that there is no waste at all.
We campaign on zero waste living.
Implement source segregation and set up well monitor collection system,
which is further sorted and sent for recycling.
We can cut down by almost 90% of what you send out to landfill.